Jaguar Commercial Heat Pump Water Heaters. Switch to the superior new way of heating water for your establishment. Discover Jaguar's new range of commercial heat pump water heating solutions. Designed to save on operating costs by tapping into heat in the air safely and affordably. Integra C Commercial Heat Pump Water Heater HPC BLM 012. Horizontal discharge model with 12 kilowatts heating capacity. Integra C Commercial Heat Pump Water Heater HPC BLM 018. Top discharge model with 18.5 kilowatts heating capacity. Integra C Commercial Heat Pump Water Heater HPC BLM 032. Top discharge model with 32.1 kilowatts heating capacity. Integra C Commercial Heat Pump Water Heater HPC BLM 038. Top discharge model with 38.05 kilowatts heating capacity. Applications of Integra C Commercial Heat Pump Water Heater can be used in hotels, restaurants, schools, hostels, hospitals, apartments, offices, and other commercial establishments. Benefits of Integra C Commercial Heat Pump Water Heater. Low running cost, easy installation, high durability, and long life, highly efficient, cost savings, simple operation, eco-friendly, more safety and all-weather comfort. Thank you for watching. Call 9901901118 for more information.